Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Evening News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, farmers are facing major inconveniences as there are no annual rainfall till date, leading to failure of plantation in the agricultural fields. A report in this regard from Impact News reporter R.C. Mangangcha and video journalist Irom Mocha.
Out of the total geographical area of the state, 7.41% of land is used for cultivation. Among this, 52% land is confined to the valley for agricultural purposes. The people of the state are facing various inconveniences in lack of abundant food production. On top of this, various agricultural lands are being utilized for other secondary purposes. Farmers of the state are facing difficulties due to irregular and less rainfall accompanied by inadequate irrigation.
Kumsat ki oina sa ne na khalaga hulibani hunbaji adu sorna kari tamidamo nongsi sukta taratana kumsi gi adum to khadaro bura khai khang
mayam leibak ki oina akoi basida loi hunjanare adu nongsing di taraktrapni na ngasai ga khodi hundabati yadabni na leibak ki rang sida dum yaure adu ngasi phawbata pagi sarkar gi site gi zu injil amata singsingnana ba birakpasu leite.
The people of the state are aware of the water scarcity affecting the agriculture and cultivation process. Farmers of the state are now a dejected lot thinking about how to sow seeds and begin agricultural activity with the ongoing water crisis. According to the Meitei calendar, farmers start planting and sowing crops in the monsoon season, which falls in June, July. But with the cessation of the month and least rainfall, the farmers of the state are in dismal.
Howni howroiga khangjanate aduna mayam akoi basi loina hunaramnina akoi ai si ful hawdragadi hayeng pharak tar dawba aduduna hawbani khangde hawroi khangde adum hunba tare dharam haiba phawdune ba ko akoi yamba makhakana ahing amakak tingaga hunba matamda mai loi haweba hawba matam sa ai su magi mataw tamaga ai su ahing amat tingaga omda bida hunba hai tare
sorna thawjan biredi se hujipalti tari tadar ka chunga si mangan tarani swai tare hek subira agadi soidamaki sagne ne mayam ji adu mai asadane hunnari.
Meanwhile, farmers in the valley are practicing cultivation of crops with dry farming. However, they remain concerned if the seeds will produce crops. Speaking to Impact News, expert of Agriculture Department mooted that there will not be much benefit of dry farming.
Leibak marakta khoi phau pambina horagaga mapung mari phaba haba jesimadi khra wana thoni maraksta nong tabira gadi phajana dum hobang amgani haba jai thaja jabani ising leitriba condition ji dadi akhoi pambi jina mapung mari phaglaga hengwa yel phajana pibidu di khra wana thokani.
However, there is no initiative from the relevant departments or authority to provide water for irrigation to the farmers till date. It is questionable as to where are the water pumps worth many lakh rupees brought by the Agriculture Department for supplying water in times of water crisis in the past few years. There is a chance that crops will grow if water is being properly supplied to the agriculture fields by the said water pumps.
Hajik leiriba lobuksi in turinga mitar chamutani lamnani si aduduna sarkargi ningsi changbiraga Turiandi ising adum watana leibamina turiandagi isingri jingbiragadi khara hajanbiragadi moina hawgadraina khalle
antak saigi su oiriba phibam sita sumana sum oirpa taragadi lawmi oina leiba singai khojingje lawsinga yonthokdana kotoktana kaino karbar gumwa kaigma mamada thirpu yabagi phibam mama su lawe haningai su leite.
On the other hand, the authorities concerned remaining numb in such situation of drought in agricultural lands is not a good step at all. On the other hand, the authorities concerned remaining numb in such situation of drought in agricultural lands is not a good step at all. It is still a big question if relevant department and authorities' promises or words for welfare activities of farmers will be able to pacify the worries of farmers. It might have been of greater use during time of less rainfall if canals were properly constructed. It is high time for the authorities concerned to look into the matter and take necessary actions. If the situation worsens, there might be war for food in the near future.
Sungai matamsidi isingda lau semdana khotana lau phara aba matamni kumchi kumsi tawrisidi ising ikang thoktana khongida phina tonga lau subane na sure akoi kamai taraga hingdo no kamai taraga mi oidoi no kari charaga hingdori no habada akoi awaba ma goire
फिल्म असी यौरबा फावदा तुमिन लेचिंदुन लेबगी महत्ता इकंग थोकलाबा लफमसिंगदा लौ पानबा यानाबा थबक पाइखतपना पालिबा लेंगाक अमसुंग मरि लेनबा डिपार्टमेंट नत्रगा अथॉरिटी की अचुंबा खुथांग ओइगनी मियामगी एहो ngaiduna थबक तौगनी हाबी वखलो लेरबदी इकुई कुइदना लमदम असिदा पुक्चाक की लान अमा थोरोले हाइनिंगाई लेते
सरकारना पम पिबिद्रबिना अखोइना इसाना पम गाइजरको खोइ सिंजरे सिंगे लौसि फगद्राइना खोइ होनजरी हुजि खाति फररा फरदे खंगदे हौदि हौरे
irrigation facility फजन प्रोवाइड तोबा ngamba jaga oitarga situation asi overcome तौदुना पौ थाबदा कानबा खदे दुम फंगनी हबजै थाजज
इंडिया की अतई मफम सिंग लेरिबा लौफम सिंग जेंगरुबदा खुजिल ममाई मुक्तंग चावबा मणिपुर की लौफम सिंग असिदा मरी लेनबा डिपार्टमेंट सिंगना मतम चाना इथैल खोंग पीदुना यंगसन बिरम लगदी हौजिक लमदम सिगी लौमुई सिंगना लौ उबा यादबगी अवाबा मायोंग नरिबसी मायोंग रमदबा याय मरम अदुना हारिबा लौ उबा यादना लेरिबा लौफम सिंग असिदा करी करमबा थौरांग पाइखलगा लौमुई सिंगना लौ उबा यागदगे हाबगी तंगाई फदबा मियेंग अमा संगबगी मथौ तारी कैमरा पर्सन इरोम मोसागा लोइनरा पौदम जरिबा आरसी मंगांचा इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ चंगांगई लोकोन।